Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday after Pride. That's right. We only got a couple more days of June and then, honey, that's it. We're going into July 1st. And I just wanted to do a little recap of Pride Month. The Pride Parade here in Chicago yesterday from 11 to 2-ish, that's a stretch, was jam-packed. And from what I'm reading on the interwebs, we had about 1 million people here in Chicago watching the Pride Parade. The weather was great, about 88 degrees, a little warm, some sunburn, some not. A lot of brunches, a lot of drinking, eating, celebrating LGBTQ+ Pride, and what a great event it was. So you'll see some pictures at the very end of this video, but here's one for you right now. Yep. So good time, but Pride Month, came with some challenges this year. The crowds, sponsorships were not where it was, and it was the same way a year ago. My lecture programs are down, so I got to focus onward now and what the future is going to bring. And look, I just didn't feel a whole lot of support. From the LGBTQ+ community, but also our allies. I felt a little bit, not a lot. So, and just for my program, not me personally, by the way. So I need to grow and get out there and add to what I'm doing, and that's what I've been working on for a while. It's just, our crazy upside down world right now is not making a whole lot of things possible, and I need to be patient along with everybody else. So if you're planning anything for the rest of the year, include people. I know some people have formed new boards, new transitions, new things. Remember that Pride we just don't do a big blowout in June. It's the other months of the year, and we got to be understanding that. So create your communities, create legislation, rise up, share your voices, be against those that oppose us, and do it in a more kind way and vocal way, but also be proactive about it. We need to be better than we've ever been before. We have the midterms coming up, and those are going to be extremely important for all of us, and I'm looking forward to seeing what that's going to bring. But yeah, so that's my, the weekend's passed. I'm a little tired. Some few things going on. Some 3rd of July-ish, 4th of July celebration stuff going on, but nothing too crazy at all. I'm doing a little donation of food today to the food pantry. I got to drop off. I forgot to do it during Pride, but there's some grave sites of some gay men that have been forgotten about, or their partners have. So I have some pride flags. I'm going to put those up in a local cemetery here. I used to visit, if you follow me, I used to visit every once in a while. And I did some investigating on who these people were, and I don't want people to be forgotten. So I'm going to put these flags out today, get my exercise in. Honey, we get a heat wave coming through the Midwest, and it's a little bit nutty out. Hot and humid. So bear with people, bring people in if they need a cooling center or some place to go. Close the windows, turn the air on, and do something at home. So that's it, folks. I'm doing fine. If you hear a little background noise, I live in the back of the building, and they're rolling the dumpsters through the alley to be emptied. So yeah, very attractive. All right, enjoy the pictures. I hope you have a great few days, and I'll be talking to you right when we're getting into July, of all things. July 2nd, I will see you. Have a great day. Subscribe, like, and share, all that good stuff. I like to get the numbers up. I like to get the people that I'm reaching out more and more and more. I love you. Be kind, be hopeful. Thanks to all the businesses, all the people that supported Pride Month. You're a gem to all of us, and we're so thankful. Continue to support these restaurants, stores, wherever you go, that are our allies in supporting our rights. And I will see you on Thursday. Thanks, everybody. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the pictures. Bye.